She has over 25 years of experience in the academic field. She is passionate about environment, greenery, and values in children. Her focus is on providing rich industry experiences to school children, for which she can be found facilitating children's interactions with people from various streams and walks of life. The Great Mentors warmly invites Ms. Anubha Srivastava, Principal, Delhi International School Edge. Ms. Anubha is so positive in thought, she always converted challenges into opportunity. She is environment lover and an experiential learner and imbibe life skill from childhood. Literature is as much a passion to her as gardening, which helps her in seamless introduction of poetic topics and green lessons in her conversations with children. The sparks in the young eyes is my driving force, she says. And I always inspire children to convert the conventional green skills to futuristic sustainable endeavors. Efficient command over IT is an essential skill to convert the traditional knowledge to treasures, be it art, history, literature, medicine, or finance. Ms. Anubha pays special attention to development of teachers with respect to pedagogy. She shows special interest in integrating historical anecdotes to understanding and applications of present-day situations to form bridge between cultural and traditional roots and futuristic technological advancements. Ms. Anubha is a postgraduate in science, with a research experience in molecular biology and medicinal phytochemistry. She has served educational sector in various roles. Ms. Anubha was head examiner for CBSE paper checking for biology. This has also added to the deeper understanding of paper setting and assessment modalities of the board. Ms. Anubha has also contributed to development of science biology kit with NCERT team, which is now used extensively as a basic kit for practical. Ms. Anubha has been leading K-12 schools since 2015 and has fetched laurels to her school, which includes bagging the Green School Award by Ministry of Environment for past 5 consecutive years, leading the winning team which bagged first position at national level in Adobe Creativity Challenge 2019, and amongst the most recent is the EDU Excellence Leaders Award for Community Engagement 2020, and fetched many other awards.